This is the moment that decides if we save £3,500 on this Clio or destroy the engine.
Over 3 grand? I don't think so.
Yeah. A little bit easier to manhandle the head.
Oh yes.
Today we find out if all this work was worth it.
It's a very cold morning and we're about to try and get the Clio started, but we have one job we need to do that we can't do at home.
So broken coolant pipes.
Little pipe off feed the turbo. It's a tiny little bit of plastic that comes out, and the whole thing is a moulded pipe from Renault. I've had a quick look, can't find one, and if you go to Renault, it's about £1 million. So we've got a way around this.
It's a lathe. So fingers crossed, we're going to machine a little barb adapter and then the car will be good to go.
Probably better than it was new, really.
What's the worst that can happen?
Yeah, true. Just be your 21 there, can't you? Yeah.
Yes, that's been done. What we'll do now, we'll drill the small hole all the way through. And then we can chop it off, turn it round. Centre drills first, Dave. Centre drills. Alright.
Beautiful.
Lovely.
So there's our new adapter piece, a new bit of rubber. We'll just have to cut that down in a second.
And up to now, it all seems
Does it fit lovely?
we've done a thing and it works.
Turn that the right way. Get it on. Ah, there you go. Down there.
So the pipe is fitted. We've got it on, as you can see. All there. Now, it isn't right, but hopefully it will work. And it saves us buying a very expensive part for such a cheap car. And you'll hear in the background, there's Dave. Hello. He's using a vacuum fill. There's a bucket of coolant down there. So what he's doing at the minute is pulling the vacuum out of all the pipes. You'll see all the pipes have squished down. And then what it'll do is, what does it do? It just draws the coolant straight in, doesn't it, Dave?
Literally like that.
Look at that. Stops you getting like air pockets and traps, doesn't it, in the system? Yeah, it's gargling, filling itself up.
You just want to make sure you have a bucket with more coolant in than you require.
Yeah, so if the car takes 5, I'll have at least like another litre or something.
6 or 7.
Yeah. Lovely. Coolant filled.
Oil pressure light and everything got out, yeah?
Yeah, there's no oil pressure light on.
Right, we'll button it all back up and go for an axle start.
If this timing's one tooth out or we've messed up, then it's game over.
So we've cranked it without the injectors. Dave's just buttoned everything up. He's leaving it to me again to make a mess of things, so... Fingers and toes crossed, Dave. Sounds like a pre-cylinder.
Yeah.
No lights.
No?
So was it worth it? Yeah, I think it was. You saw there we spent £555. The garage he took it to wanted to, which I understand, put a whole new engine in. But when a car gets to the price point of these sort of things, that's why these cars die. So for us, it was save it, and that's what this channel's about. Yeah, £555. Car's running, it's saved. It's a few days later now. Yeah, it was definitely worth it. Tools wise, you saw the videos. We didn't buy a locking kit. We didn't buy any specialist tools. We did buy the valve stem tool, which Dave bought. Amazon, £17. Was it needed? No. Did it help? Yeah. We used the ramp. Did that help? Yes. But it's a luxury, and we're fortunate to have that. And I know a lot of people don't. Could you do it on the driveway? 100%. Would it be a bit more awkward? 100%. It just goes to show that with a bit of time, you could have done this with very, very basic tools, as we did. Did we use an impact gun? Yes. Do most people generally work on cars have one these days? Yes. Again, nothing really untowards. Now, before everyone jumps on the bandwagon going, you haven't included labour, this and that, blah, blah, blah. That's not what we're about. This is purely, can we beat a garage quote and save another car and get it back on the road? And we absolutely smashed it by saving nearly £3,000. Been a few days since we've done it. You hear this start up in the video, and that was... no lie, the first start. Hence why it was a little bit rattly and a little bit noisy while everything settles and beds in, blah, blah, blah. It's been run a few times. It's night time. I've come out just to film the outro for the video. I've got the key. So this car hasn't been running. What day are we on now? We're on Tuesday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. 3 days since we did the first start. Cold start. Absolutely on the button. So yeah, less than £600. Did we meet it? We smashed it. Is the car running absolutely fine? Yes. If you like what you saw and you like our sort of content, we're just mates with a little bit of mechanical knowledge. We're messing around, having a laugh, fixing sheds, high mileage heroes, you name it, we're doing it. Click up there to subscribe, check out more videos here, and get ready for the next series.